yeah. And I got the big truck, yeah. Caught the Jazz 200 on the dash. I was just speaking big facts. I ain't even signed a deal yet. I ain't even missed a meal yet. I'm eating good cause I'm still fake.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video with Laced by J5. Today we went out to the Hexis America's open house event, open house / car show. It's an event that they put on every year. We actually went last year and participated as well. Hexis America's has a really great group of people there. They're always just a phone call or email away, and they look out for us, so we definitely try to, get up there and support whenever we can. One of my personal vehicles is wrapped in a Hexis satin chrome. It's probably my favorite film that's out there on the market today. As well as the Jaguar has headlights and taillights wrapped in Hexis Hex Lights film. Very good light tint cast, super easy to use. But yeah, great group of people. We love going to their events. So we had a good time there. They had a lot of nice cars, a lot of exotics out, some very cool wrapped cars. We also, try to get you guys some footage of their facility, because the facility is very cool. They have a full-blown training center there, dedicated training center, and just about every square inch of that place is wrapped. I mean, walls, floors, tables, the whole nine. Everything is wrapped, all vinyl. Hexis has some really cool products that can mimic wood grain and stone finishes and things like that, and they utilize it all over their headquarters there in Lawrenceville. Again, so pretty cool cars out. I'm not sure what my favorite was. I'm trying to think of it now. There was a 370Z wrapped in some blue color. I'm not even sure what color it was, but it was a really clean install, and the blue was like nice and bright. I mean, almost like it could have been, a factory color or something painted, but it was really cleanly done and just really nice and pretty. I'm pretty sure the car probably was ceramic coated as well because of how glossy it was. But outside of that, I mean, there was some other cool stuff there. A little bit of everything. I think I saw a CT5V, a M3, Supras, BRZs, I mean, just everything, Lamborghinis, McLarens, all of that good stuff. So hopefully you guys enjoy the footage. Like I said, we did go to the show last year. I think it was a little bit bigger. This year the show was a bit smaller because they're actually already starting to prepare for SEMA, which is coming up in a couple of weeks, and so they've already started shipping displays and things out to Vegas to get ready for that. And they're going to have a really, really nice booth at SEMA out here this year, really big, probably 4 cars I'm hearing. So that should be very interesting. Not sure if we're gonna make it out to SEMA this year. We'll see. Fingers crossed. but yeah, they always put on a good show no matter where they are. So it was pretty cool. But until next time, it's Laced by J5 signing out.
guys want to purchase some apparel, some cases, just go to hexis-energy.us. Thank you guys again for coming. Hopefully you enjoyed the tacos. And yeah, that's it. Thank you.